Story time. I was on a live webinar. A gentleman reached out to me, said, Joshua, I work 16 hours some days on my business. I was like, look, I'm not your mentor if you want to work 16 hours a day on your business. I prefer working 2 hours per day or even an hour. Why? I do not want to be influenced or controlled by social media. I want to use social media as a tool, not something that is controlling me, that is triggering dopamine so that I am spending or wasting my life on the social media platforms. I compress my work into productive tasks, short form content, and live videos. That is the main ingredient I use in order to generate leads, nurture leads. That is what I do online, and that is what I am teaching people, how you can convert your content into generating leads so that at the future date and time that leads can convert into paying customers. Paying customers pays bills. Why not you build something meaningful so that you are not a lot on social media, whereby you can spend your hours on meaningful things, your hobbies, your family, what you love doing, exploring your talents, your uniqueness, your gifts in other arenas, not just focusing and spending and wasting your time a lot on the social media platforms. You want to build a lifestyle, a business whereby you are reading, studying, drumming, focusing on spirituality, doing what you love doing, not being on social media all the time you are just on these social media platforms. This can have a negative impact in your life. A human being isn't designed just to check messages and go on Netflix and Showmax. You are not designed to be on these social media platforms a lot. This can distract you, and it can have negative temptations on a human being's life. You are meant to socialize, to enjoy your life, exercising, reading, studying, being with family, going out to shopping malls, and just, having fun, having that balance, not just grinding and hustling and working and grinding and hustling. I had that perception, that perspective when I was 26 years old and I got into network marketing, right? I thought that you need to work for so many hours, 12, 13, 14, 15 hours. No, compress your work into massive action, 2 hours per day, focusing on high income producing activities. If this video was helpful, like, share, save this video, drop me that comment, and let's get you started.